what are they calling us now? Right. So there's still the traditional titles like the database administrator. So you will still see a deluge of roles that fall into that category, the database administrator role. Like SQL Server DBA, Oracle DBA, MySQL DBA, Postgres DBA. You still see those traditional titles. Are still a lot of them out there. There's still you know, if you go on LinkedIn, do a search, go on Google, do a search, go on Indeed, guys, anywhere you find your jobs, you will see a barrage of standard traditional DBA roles. So that those are still accessible to us. We still have access to these opportunities, which is a good thing, right? But where I'm trying to drive to is the evolution of the role is a good thing for us because we can, with a little bit of upskilling, expand the scope of opportunities available to us, right? So the traditional database administrator role is still alive and well, right? So what are some of the new variations, right, in modern times in 2025? What are some 2025 variations of the database administrator role? So one title I want to highlight, one is the data platform engineer. You will see that a lot. Again, these are more platform specific database administrators. Okay, so as a DBA, you're already an engineer. People don't really think about it like that. But as a database administrator, doing any level of support or design, you're already in that engineering role. So people are afraid to call themselves engineers, but you are. Okay, so the data platform engineer is a title you should explore. One thing you have to pay attention to is those job descriptions. Make sure it's within the scope of the things that you are expecting. But data platform engineer is a role that you, as a skilled DBA or somebody who is maybe looking for their next opportunity, looking to go up to the next level. That's a title you need to look at. The next role that is popping up now that is still an evolution of the DBA role is the database reliability engineer. So you see there's a lot of this reliability engineer roles out there, whether it's the SREs, RTEs. Now, the database reliability engineer is another one, still just like the data platform engineer. The database reliability engineer is pretty much somebody making sure the databases are reliable. What does that sound like? I think that's a DBA, right? So, yeah, so if you see that title, go ahead and apply, right? If you're wondering, is this a good fit for me? Is this something I should go for? Go ahead and apply. Just again, the one thing I needed to pay attention to with these roles is the job description, the platforms, right? The core database platforms that they are supporting. If that's something that's aligned with your skill sets, go ahead and apply. Don't worry about the title. Go ahead and apply. I promise you're qualified for it. The next one is the cloud data administrator. The cloud data administrator or the cloud database administrator, however you want to call it, is also another new title popping up.